Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So hope you guys enjoyed our last week's video. So with that said, let's start for this week. Let me just start from this one. So this is a Gordon Murray Automotive T.33. I don't know what that means. So I never actually know anything about this particular manufacturer itself. So I did unbox one before. So I never actually had that much of interest to know about this particular brand. I don't know why. So this is a new casting for 2025. You can see here. So I bought this for MRP, which is 179. And see, there are a lot of new castings for 2025. This is also like the Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe, and this is also like new for 2025. So this is this wild wide body series. Yeah. I mean, I do love wide body kits. So again, I bought all this for MRP. So okay, this is my one of my personal favorite, and this is this Ford Model A Custom. So I don't remember if I have this in M2 missions, or if I saw this in what is this Kinsmart models. I don't know if I have this. I need to check in my boxes. But I do like this particular model. I saw this in some I don't know movie or some kind of show. That's how I remember this. So, but I don't remember exactly where I saw this. But I'm really happy they actually planned. They released this casting. So, and this color scheme looks really beautiful for this casting. Yeah, this is also new for 2025. Okay, so this one is specifically for the Batman fans. So as you guys know, I am a die-hard Spider-Man fan. I'm not a fan of Batman. Let me put it that way. So I don't even watch any DC series or anything. But Batman, is one of the. I had this soft corner for Batman from my childhood. So both Batman and Superman, because Superman is the very first superhero I actually saw apart from Captain Planet. So after that Batman, when I was a kid, I came to know about Batman, and because of the gadgets and everything, I liked him. So there's that phase, right, where you want to have these gadgets and you want to play with your friends. Hit them. I don't know if you guys, the current gen kids are doing that. We used to throw stones at each other. We used to have this catapult and all. So yeah. Okay, so this one is specifically for all the Batman fans out there. So I bought this. So this one is, I think, one in the box. Yeah. So if you guys are able to get this one, if you're a Batman fan, go ahead and get it. Go nuts on this thing. That actually looks really nice. So yeah, this other casting which people go nuts for. This is the 787B. So we do have a STH version of this. We unboxed it. So let me show you that. It is right there on the back. That is a STH version of this one that came during, I think, 2023. Yeah, 2023. So I don't think I have this particular color scheme for this particular car, so I bought it. Okay, so last but not least, my one other of my personal favorite. So I do have a lot of personal favorite in this particular case, because this case actually has a lot of gems in this. So this one being my another personal favorite, which is this one, the Datsun 240Z. So this comes under the art car series, and this one, the Sakura on this one, looks absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I'm really dying to unbox this one. So I think I bought two of this. Yeah, because I want to keep one here. I'm planning to, like I mentioned, I'm planning to replace some stuff here. So I'm just going to keep some of these things in boxes and replace with the newer ones. So let's see. I'm planning to keep this one also. This I I really wish I got this during when my visit in during when I was at my native place, because I would have taken a picture of this with in between the actual natural scenery, instead of putting in a diorama and taking a pic of it. So I really miss that. Okay, so with that said, stay tuned for this unboxing, guys, and we will be unboxing the rest of the castings which I showed on the hunt in the subsequent weeks. So stay tuned for everything, and I bought a few more. I hope I will get it by end of this particular week which is going on, and I will be unboxing that before I complete this particular case. So stay tuned for that also. That is going to be a good surprise for you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.